Explore the power of possibilities with Nichiha. Whatever the look you're after, there's a Nichiha architectural wall panel to help you achieve it. This animated installation video series is a new way for us to share with you our inside story and show you what's possible with our fiber cement system solution. 10-foot vertical panel installation. Nichiha architectural wall panels can be installed over a variety of substrates. This video demonstrates vertical wall panels over metal stud wall assembly. The exterior sheathing should be OSB or plywood with a minimum thickness of 7/16 inch. Apply a weather-resistive barrier according to local building codes. Installation begins with our vertical starter track, which is designed specifically for vertical panel installations. It features pre-drilled screw holes and drain holes, which provide moisture drainage and air circulation. Place the starter track at the base of the panel installation location. Add a 5mm Nichiha spacer behind the starter track when fastening, leaving 1.5 inches of space between the starter track and the corner. The starter track should be installed a minimum of 6 inches from finished soil grade or per local building code. When installing above a hard surface such as a driveway or a sidewalk, a 2-inch clearance is acceptable. Take extra care to ensure that the starter track is level. Fasten the starter track to the substrate using a corrosion-resistant screw every 6 to 8 inches on center into studs or sill plate. The 10-foot panels are 18 inches in width and 5/8 inch in thickness. Each panel is shiplapped on its long two edges for a tight fit. The 10-foot panels are commonly used in vertical applications, but they can also be installed horizontally. At outside corners, we offer many quarter solutions, including corner key trim, as shown here. To create a flush surface, remove the shiplapped edge from a panel. When cutting Nichiha panels, always remember to seal the trimmed edges. Fasten a continuous 10mm Nichiha spacer into the corner trim with a corrosion-resistant screw at a spacing of 16 inches on center. Face fasten the left edge of the panel with corrosion-resistant screws every 16 inches on center. Nichiha Ultimate clips are used to fasten the panels. Place the first clip in position as close to the starter track as possible and fasten using 4 corrosion-resistant screws spaced at 6.5 inches. Each full-height panel should be secured with 4 evenly spaced Ultimate clips. Install the second panel up against the installed panel and use a rubber mallet or block to tighten panels together as well as to ensure level. Repeat the procedure to complete the first course of panel installation. At a corner where the panel will meet an already installed corner key trim, insert a continuous spacer into the corner trim. And fasten the spacer using a corrosion-resistant screw every 16 inches on center. Next, measure the distance from the outside corner to the edge of the installed panel. Subtract 1 3/8 inch from that measurement and cut the panel to that width. Insert the panel into the corner key trim. Rotate it into the wall plane and slide it into its final position. Face fasten the panel every 16 inches on center with a corrosion-resistant screw to complete the installation. To install a second course, install flashing above the panel course. Install the starter track with a 5mm spacer behind it, a 1/2 inch above the flashing. Install the next course in the same manner as the first, using the Nichiha Ultimate Clip system. For more videos and more information about our complete line of fiber cement architectural wall panels, visit nichiha.com.